quietness in the mornings were my favorite part. I would lie in the grass and gaze upon the blue sky. With every breath of crisp air, I felt at home. I never thought I would leave the country. I was a small town girl surrounded by familiar faces. My dad always told me I would do big things, but I'm pretty certain he tells all the siblings that. When I was 6, I choreographed a dance with my little sister. I remember we put on our mom's tutus, which kept falling off during our pirouettes. We kept giggling and spinning, and I felt like I could just dance forever. 3 months of auditions here in London and still no success. My dad did not prepare me for the constant, fucking exhausting rejections. Everything's ruined. London is dark and cold. Every time I go outside my door, I see a new, unfamiliar face. Hey Dad, I just want to go home.
The sound of cutlery hid in the plate as we eat. Oh, London, I think we've fallen out of love. It's that Sunday feeling when the sun sets low and you're warm inside whilst the city glows. All those magic moments, 'cause they're on the street. As an old friend, it's been years since you've seen. That gets you thinking, is it really that bad? 'Cause we might have problems, but we sure do laugh. Oh, London, not out of love with you yet, but I need you to make me want you again. Oh, London, can we be in love? Can we be in love?
The Japanese have a traditional art form called kintsugi. They take broken pieces of art and repair it with gold paint. It is the idea that breakage should be a part of our growth, not something to hide. That is what the art of London is to me. Each new piece changes constantly. Similarly to kintsugi, the art scene on the streets is raw. It reflects the beauty of new beginnings. With every street corner, I find myself continuing to change. It is constantly moving. Every face I see is a new individual to get to know. Rain or shine, the city's beauty never ceases to amaze me. Every day I feel more and more at home. I start to see the countryside within. I was in ruins. Sometimes ruins can be beautiful. Change can make you appreciate ruins. And that is what's most beautiful of all.